Have they discussed with you the mandatory minimum and maximum sentences associated with the crime that you're intending on pleading guilty to here today?
Yes.
Can you tell me what that is, please?
15 to life.
Now that Julie Miller has pleaded guilty to death of a child by parent by child abuse, she could be facing up to life in prison. But that's only because of a bill that passed in 2017 as a result of another tragic child abuse case. Former State Senate President Mitch Carmichael introduced and passed the bill to strengthen the penalty for this exact charge in honor of a 10-month-old victim from his home county.
They were not stringent enough, and they had some areas for improvement. And so I introduced a bill, entitled it Emmaleigh's Law, in which it vastly increased penalties for child abuse.
Emmaleigh's Law was named after Emmaleigh Barringer, a 10-month-old who was raped and killed in Jackson County in 2016 by Benjamin Taylor. Taylor is serving life on a murder charge but was also convicted on the death by child abuse charge too. At the time, the penalty for that one was half what Miller will face now. Former Senator Ron Stallings was a co-sponsor on Emmaleigh's Law back in 2017 and is now seeing it applied to a case that devastated his home county.
It's sad for the family, it's sad for the neighborhood, distant family, and it's just a terrible, sad case.
Stallings said there is still work to be done in this area, especially when it comes to homeschooling oversight. We learned in the case Kyneddi was homeschooled for about 4 years before her death. She only went outside twice during that time and did not see a doctor at all.
Down the line, I continue to worry about children that don't have any contact with the school system.
Carmichael says the ultimate goal for stricter penalties is prevention, but in the case where it does have to be used, the next goal is accountability.
So I'm pleased to have had a role in the legislation, but again, very sorry about the circumstances in which it was necessary, and I hope it never gets used again.
In Charleston, Anna Saunders, Eyewitness News.